Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to hide albums on this device. So firstly, you will just have to open Gallery, then go to the album section, and then on the album which you want to hide, you just have to hold your finger on it. Then after you see this menu here appeared, just select the second button, Hide, then tap OK, and after that this album will be hidden. You can find your album by tapping here, by going to the settings, and here you have this option, View Hidden Albums. And from here you can display these albums. You can also unhide them here, and after that these albums will be appeared in the albums list again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.